In today's digital age, a website is often the first point of contact between a business or individual and their audience. Website maintenance is the regular upkeep of a site to ensure its functionality, security, and effectiveness. Effective website maintenance keeps a site relevant, secure, and user-friendly while maximizing benefits and minimizing issues. One of the most significant benefits of regular website maintenance is improved security. Neglecting maintenance risks malware, hacking, and data breaches, endangering your site and customer data. Optimizing your site's backend boosts speed, user experience, and search rankings. User experience, UX, plays a crucial role in determining the success of your website. Regular website maintenance plays a vital role in supporting your SEO efforts. An outdated site harms your brand, reducing credibility and trust. Website maintenance may seem costly upfront but saves money long-term. Regularly backing up your website is essential in case of unexpected technical issues or security breaches. Keeping all software associated with your website up to date is crucial. Regularly scan your website for broken links using online tools or plugins, and fix them promptly. Slow-loading websites can lead to high bounce rates and poor user experiences. Regularly update security to prevent malware, hacking, and threats. Analyzing traffic data reveals user behavior, content performance, and conversions. Your website should be accessible and function properly across various web browsers and devices. Fresh and relevant content is essential for keeping visitors engaged and attracting new ones. Update meta tags, headings, and content to boost search visibility. Regularly test forms, carts, and interactive elements for functionality.